Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are on a Samsung stand of official retail from Samsung in Albania, and we are taking a look today at the Samsung Galaxy A80. And right off the bat, this is Albanian. Basically this is watch better, capture more, and always on, meaning that this phone has a big battery. Okay, so let's go to settings real quick. Okay, so there we have, this is a retail product, just came on today, and you're gonna see that we have Android version 9, and the camera here, the camera is gorgeous. I don't know, wait, okay. One quick thing, this thing is all screen and the camera on the selfie. Look what happens here. We have a sliding mechanism that captures it. It's kind of cool actually, just to see this thing. So we can shoot wide-angle selfies and live focus selfies. Okay, so we have night mode right off the bat, panoramic, live focus, photo, video, live focus video. Okay, this is a new feature. We have super slow-mo and slow motion. But the coolest thing around here is that we can use the selfie. This is the coolest thing. It's like, I don't know, has a lot of stuff going on here. But it closes when we close our camera. Clean display, Super AMOLED, of course. It's thick actually, but I just found out that this came to Albania today, and I just wanted to make a video about that. I will drop a link on the description for Samsung Albania, just so you guys can see more of this device. This is the A70 and all other stuff, but this is something cool, and I just wanted you guys to see it first. So this is a hands-on video, and I will see you on the next one.